looking for my day, but then I would always stay. Then one day I sat and prayed, and he answered my call. Before I found you, I was at my worst, and then you came through. Allah made it easier for me and you. I knew this thing was gonna last. Everything about you was never ordinary to me. Sophisticated with confidence, I loved your modesty. Oh, now the glass is half full for me. Hey, chubby girl, you're the one for me. Hey, chubby girl, you're the one I need. Hey, chubby girl, you wear that veil with so much beauty. Hey, chubby girl, you do it for Allah, that's why. And everything about you just rocks. Your hijab is on point, girl, don't stop. Abaya flowing, it's all on lock. Every street's your catwalk, you're on top. You're fate to find you. You cover up your beauty, you're not there to view. You keep it undercover for the love that's true. You only try to please Allah. Everything about you was never ordinary to me. Sophisticated with confidence, I loved your modesty. Oh, now the glass is half full for me. Hey, chubby girl, you wear that veil with so much beauty. Hey, chubby girl, you do it for Allah, that's why. Let me tell you about this here jobby. She don't ever take a Deen lightly. She ain't worried about no dunya. She's trying for the almighty, oh. Oh, na, 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 na. Yeah, yeah. She don't follow the noise. She walks around with this poise. She's covered head to her toe. She's following all the goals. She's a real one, yeah. Oh, she's a real one. Hey, chubby girl, you're the one for me. Hey, chubby girl, you're my wife, you're my queen. Hey,